Good morning, vlog. It is another day, and I'm still vlogging on my phone because I have not bought a memory card for my camera because I'm boo-boo. But, you know, that's just how it's gonna have to be. But today, ooh, these are the fits. We are going to Nami Island right now. We have to go to the subway to like figure that out. We're going from Hongdae to Yongsan, from Yongsan to Gapyeong, and then Gapyeong to Nami Island. I think I said all those things right. If not, you know, just look up how to get to Nami Island because that's where we're going. We have to go to the ITX, I think. So it's only an hour rather than like 2 hours. So I'll let you guys know. Oh my God, we seeing this on the day Namgi's track comes out, y'all. Namgi really. They really. I miss the subway so much. I'm so happy down here. Winner. Bye. Our baby. We were there. It was. Whoa. We're looking at Gapyeong. Is us. Or is it?
Just look at from back now.
She was knocked out. Now we're trying to get to Nami. It's already. Wait, let me try vlogging on my camera. It's so cute here. Gapyeong is like the perfect in Seoul but away from Seoul. It's just so cute. Every time I come here, I'm like, I want to do the zip line. It's also 38,000 won, and I'm wearing a dress right now, so like
30,000 won?
Yeah, but it includes the way back and everything too. But like if I was raining in dough, you best believe I'd do it. But oh, mama move. You best believe I'd do it, but I don't got the coin right now. So, and it's kind of like overcast, but it's really humid and hot already, and it's only like 11:07. So like, and I'll update you guys when we're on the ferry. We got taehyung kimbap to just live our best lives. So, hehe. Mommy. So cute. We're in a whole new area.
The welcome. Everyone's like, hello. I love USA.
Me. She pretty. Wow. Look how green it is. It was not this green in my vlogs 2 years ago. Because we came when it was like winter to spring. Oh man, nature. All of these are cute. Are these the kind of ants y'all gotta deal with? Please tell me it's a lie. Where'd it go? Please. The balloon. So, it's like a nice fresh of breath air. Wow. See, even behind me, you just see all the green. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. And those ajumas right there are so cute. I love them. This is a nice breath of fresh air. I think I said it the wrong way earlier.
Fresh of breath air.
Because Tweet called me out with a binge. But it's like, it's just so green. Oh my gosh.
The queen of Korean, the whole trip.
Oh my gosh. We ate the like triangle kimbap. I don't think I filmed it when we got it because my camera freaking broke down on me. But chef's kiss. Those are only like 1,400 won, and they slap. But guess who's still hungry? Y'all, I'm reunited with my enemies. Here they are. They're so big. They're gonna kill me, I swear. Ooh, I love these steps. Right? Namjoon loves it here, you can already tell. Very beautiful. Wow, these bottles. We love recycling. God, I know. This vlog is just to calm all of your nerves because this is gorgeous. Very gorgeous to me. When they have sky bike and it looks cute, but me and Twee don't want to work out. Got my Malona bar. Twee got a strawberry and apple flavor. That looks bomb. I'm about to get it later today because you already know I'm gonna eat bunches. So peaceful here. Like, I'd love to just like walk in. Oh my
Crystal
god.
wouldn't let me play in the playground.
Do I look like I'm here to babysit? I don't think so. Plans have been made. Wow. We'll leave it to Californians to be amazed by a color other than green. Oh my god, the sugar glider. Wait, do you guys see it? Oh my god, it disappeared into the grass. Oh, there he is. There he goes. We just came into this random little cafe. It's so cute. So we got a strawberry banana juice and I got strawberry sparkling water. They look so cute. Ooh. Science. The next best thing after strawberry Fanta, everyone. And my date. Taehyung and Namjoon, they're on the back of my phone. You can't see it, it's not tweet. Anyways, review time as we're gonna do at every cafe we go to, tweet. So this place is called Dessert 39. There it is, yeah. How is your strawberry banana juice?
It's really good. It's not like juice. It tastes like
A smoothie.
like ice cream or milk in it.
It looks like a smoothie, yeah. Out of 10. That's pretty solid. That's pretty solid. The strawberry sparkling water. It comes with strawberry juice and then you put like this Canada Dry in it. I give this a solid, I think I'll give it a 7 too, because it's really good and it tastes like healthy strawberry Fanta. And like, if you guys know me, you know I love being healthy. You guys, me and Tweed just got super flustered because cute boys asked us to take their picture for them, and I was like,
Ask Crystal actually.
yeah, they asked me and they were like, can you take our photo? And the one that asked me was really cute and he asked me in like perfect English. I was like, hello sir, I can take your photo. And then his friends, they were so cute. Me and Twee we were like, ooh,
Crystal was taking the photo and I was like, wow, I'm
yeah.
just gonna look at this
First
now.
they were using snow and then he was like, can you take it on my normal camera? I was like, yes, of course I can. They were so cute and I think one of them called me pretty, so. Y'all, who's that reflection?
One guy called you pretty, now that you go booster.
I literally just said, damn, who's that reflection? And I zoomed in on our feet. Update, because every time I update you guys, we're walking. So I was like, look at where we are. We're like,
In the middle of a construction zone?
yeah, we're in the middle of a construction zone. Aim is pretty is where we previously left you at Nami. We got off of Nonhyun on line 7, I believe. And we're on our way to Cafe Murano because they have a cup sleeves and we're cup sleeve holders. Is that a word I can say? Yeah, we're cup sleeve holders. So we go in. On the outside, I think they have Namjoon and Hoseok. And like, those aren't our biases. But we're gonna go, you know? We found her up this stupid steep hill. Wow, I really thought I was gonna die. Oh my god, why is it our wreckers? Tweet. Oh my god, it's literally our wreckers. I'm angry. Wait, I'm hurting. It's literally 94 line. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Tweet, this is not okay.
This is so dangerous.
This is not okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. They popped off. Oh my god. Oh my god. The mustard acrylics are so cute. This is very dangerous. We have 94 line NAMSEOK HAPPINESS. Namjoon. The cutest cup sleeve. Like, this is so cute. So cute. Surrounded by photos.
This is so dangerous.
This is literally the definition of dangerous. And it comes with little goodies.
Let's look at them.
Let's look at them, yeah.
Wait, this is so
An
cute.
unboxing. He's so cute. Oh, so cute. so cute, the back.
On site.
Oh my gosh, these are stickers. So cute. Daydream and Mono. They popped off. Mayhaps they popped off with this one. We really bought 4 drinks just so I could have namjoon and she could have HEHE. Okay, so we just realized something. That like, can the music turn back on? It's real quiet. That before this cafe was like something else, right?
There's G-Coke.
There's G-Coke. And when we were out here in Korea, it had to change to NAMSEOK. And
I've been wrecking our buys list.
And we just want to know why. Like, what are the odds? I just had the biggest realization of my entire life. Between February and September. It's backwards, but I'm February and Twee is September. This duo was made for us. Oh my god. These are very gorgeous to me. I found hot dogs. I love you. And this is also a tease because I love you. Oh, hello. Mayhap. Oh. They. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Super Bowl commercials could never. Oh my god. They're so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Underground. I love the underground. There's another one over here. We love this store. I love this store. They literally have everything in there. Oh man. She bagged some stuff. Oh no. I love this store. Oh my gosh, y'all. Me and Twee bought matching T-Money cards. I bought the AT's Wave album. And then I got, yeah, I mean, please. And then I got the Love Yourself tour DVDs, Europe and New York. Because, you know, New York, I went, I'm going to throw up. It's so hard to vlog here. We love this. We love this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My best friends. But oh my god. It's like literally everywhere. This is it. My little Tom. My little Tom. What are these?
You want to get one each?
It's gotcha?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Oh my god.
Wait, let's
No, I need to
This
choose.
feels like Tata.
Don't shake it. You're not allowed to shake.
Okay.
Just grab.
Front and center at the top.
Don't shake him. I'm scared. Projection key ring. What does that mean? Try him out. He's so cute. Wait. Bro, look at the BT21. They're so cute.
He's holding a weight. He's holding his little gun.
They're so cute.
Okay.
Must cop. 11,001.
God.
Easily convinced. They're just so cute. They're here to have fun. Look at these new pens. Bruh.
I drop.
Correction tape, letters. So bad. Oh my gosh, you can only see Namjoon. There's Taehyung's there too, guys. Don't be fooled. Oh my god. Look how happy Shooky look. Oh my god, they have like... I'm always so overwhelmed, even though we have our own store. Bruh, they got portables. But they don't have, I don't see Tata or Cookie. It's for the best. And the AirPod case. She walked it. Oh my god, they're so cute. Bro, look who's having a party. Wait, that's actually me. So cute. Look who's hidden in the back.
But look at my friend.
So cute. And this is where I'm gonna lose it. Ay, Dios mío. Where? Oh, they have more. What a coin. Oh my god, me. Uh-oh. Oh my god. They never have the freaking RJ standing down. RJ, why? Oh my gosh, I love chimneys. Is that chimney? No, who's is this? Oh my gosh. Shucky's just so cute and yellow. Oh man. Oh man. These are so cute. These t-shirts are so cute. I would die for all of these t-shirts. And they're 25,000 won. Oh my god. Oh my god. Passport cases. This is so cute. So literally makeup everywhere. Face, skincare. Oh my gosh. Let's go into Innisfree. I love their mask. Literally the best thing about Korea is how overwhelmed I feel at this moment. They have hot dog. When I'm Seoul, I must get street food out here in MYEONGDONG. It's the tteokbokki, and the lady is so cute. I love her. She's right there, but so yummy. Living our best lives. And if you're worried about spice, I mean, I have good spice tolerance, so maybe don't listen to me. But like, this isn't spicy.
No, it's not spicy.
It's not. Yeah, it's not spicy. Go for it. Okay. Raph told us she really liked this store, so we here and we. Yeah, I stepped. I'm all right. We about to see. We about to see. You know, pretty casual day out.
Just an everyday thing, you know?
Oh, God. Oh my god. Oh. Do y'all like my new T-Money card? Do y'all like Tweed's new T-Money card?
Y'all like our new
T-Money
cards?
Like, you can buy it at the K-pop store that I showed you guys right there, but like, you literally just boop, and he got me through. Bruh, look whose anniversary it is. It's so beautiful. He stamped. I'm back in Shingchong, but it's raining. They did this to me on purpose. They did this to me. They want me gone. It's like weird rain. I can't tell. Oh my gosh, winter. If you watched my Korea vlogs, you know. You know. You like it? I don't like you. I like you this though. We got buses. And the famous red tube. Say hi, Tweed. To my red tube. To my red tube. Now look at them. They look so good. They look so good. Look who on the subway. Me trying to panda all the other ones. Got him. Got him. Got him. Me looking everywhere. I'm like, got him.
And then namjoon on the other side.
Got him. Hello. Oh, all the way over there. We found him. Bro, look at Jin. Okay. Okay, Marty. We're back at our Airbnb. I'm not gonna do a formal unboxing. We're just gonna show you what photo cards we got. And this is like a gotcha thing from BT21. And we're gonna open it. Okay, let's open this first. Okay. What you even cut? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Perhaps
Oh, I found it.
bringing scissors. I snapped. Come on. I want the pink cup bunny.
Please. It's just a random BT21 member, that's why. So, like, who we gonna get?
Who knows?
Who knows?
On this road
I'm
of us.
scared, Marty. Wait, oh my god, wait. How'd you open that so
You
fast?
press it down.
Press what down there?
Yeah. Oh my god. I got Koya.
I got Jimmy. It's so cute. Okay.
Wait, it comes with this?
Oh my
It's a
god.
poster.
Look who's going to the beach.
Man's head.
He's so cute. Oh my god, he's so cute.
cute.
I'm literally Jimmy. That's me at the beach. They're so cute. Look at them all.
Ay, Dios mío.
They will
He's chilling by the lawn chair. This is so cute.
I don't even know how much it
How
was.
much was it? We
I just
like,
threw it into the
we're like,
cart.
okay, let's get it.
This me. Now let's see what photo cards we get, and that's literally all that matters.
Which one do you want to open first?
Let's do Europe. This is her. Exactly like the song. Exactly like the song.
Me floats out of frame.
Open. So cute. This is what she looked like. She snapped.
Amsterdam, Berlin, and Paris. This photo.
This is very gorgeous to me. This is
Oh,
gorgeous.
this is such a cute photo. I'm gonna photocopy this and resell it. What? And then flip it over.
Oh my.
Do you get that? But look who won.
I'm in danger.
I'm in danger. Oh, right.
I'm in danger. The page I turned.
Oh, wait.
The one that means the most to me out of all the ones I own. Colors are impeccable on this one. They're so cute. Oh my god. I'm in that photo, y'all. I'm
so
like
cute.
back here.
What?
I'm like right here. It's a win, lady. I got Jen. He's so cute.
Is it because we went to a NAMSEOK
We're
cafe
not
today?
I'm ending the vlog here. This is too much.